everybody, it's me, Pamela Sage from the Sage Family Adventures, and today we're going to do the unboxing, guys. Here it is. This is the stuff that I bought in Walgreens last week, so we're gonna do unboxing of skincare, guys. So let's start. So what we have here, the first one is this one, guys. This one, there it is. So it's originally $39.50 in value, and then they're selling for $25. Then I bought this for 50% off, which is $12.50. So let's do the unboxing, guys. So this is my first time to buy this product, number 7. I have read about the reviews about this product, guys, and it's very good. So let's see if it's really worth it. Excuse me, guys. So here it is. I do the unboxing already. So here it is, guys, for $12.50, guys. This is not bad because they're already 50% off. So just this one, guys, it's already expensive. Individual product is expensive, guys. So this is the number 7 Instant Results Nourishing Hydration Mask, dry and very dry. That's the one. And then the second product is number 7 Radiant Results Nourishing Melting Gel Cleanser. So here it is, guys. That's number 2. And then the number 3 product is number 7 Hydra Luminous Water Surge Gel Oil Free. So that's the number 3, guys. And then the number 4 is number 7 Hydra Luminous Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. So you will apply this in nighttime. And then the number 5 product is Radiant Results Revitalizing Daily Face Polish with vitamin C, E, and V5 plus red ginseng. Radiant and healthier looking energized skin. So here it is, guys. That's the number 5. So the number 1 box or package is done. So let's go ahead in the number 2 product, guys. So this is the number 2 product or box, guys. Let's do the unboxing. So they're originally $57.50, guys. So last Christmas they're selling for $31, and I got this only for 50% off, which is $15.50. So this is the inside. This is the products inside here, guys. So this is the one, and they have number 7 Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum Boost Sheet Mask. So that's the way it is, guys. So that's the number 1 product they have. And then the number 2 product is number 7 Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum, suitable for sensitive skin. This is only 15 ml, guys. And this is like, if you buy this alone, this is like $5.50. This one, they have different prices also. This is the number 3 product, guys. Number 7, Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Day Cream with sunscreen SPF 30. So that's the number 3 product. Number 4 product, guys, is the number 7, Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Night Cream, guys. So that's the number 4 product. And last but not the least, guys, is the number 5 product, which is the Restore and Renew Multi-Action Eye Cream. So that's all our unboxing today, guys, and I will update you if how is it and how proven and tested the number 7 skincare, guys, and I'll make another review for the number 7 skincare. And that's it for now, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to our video, please do, and please like and give us a thumbs up, and thank you for your continued love and support. And that's all for today, guys, and remember, have faith, be brave, be happy, and be yourself always. God bless everyone. Bye.